Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Juan Haposin, and on behalf of the Global Genius, I welcome you to this short video where we'll show you how you can actually get started with our community edition course. Okay, so basically, this course is actually created to help people who might not really afford our main courses. So with the community edition, you can get it at a very low price, at a very cheap, very cheap price, very affordable. And again, this is also a course that you can start with your mobile phone. You don't need to have a laptop to get started with this program. So no more excuses. You don't have a laptop or you don't have money. Right now, you can get started with your tech career with your mobile phone and as affordable as the price of this program is. Okay. So now, first of all, you need to get your referral link. Somebody has given you the sign up link, okay? Somebody have actually given you their referral link, okay? So with that referral link, you can come here and sign up. It's immediately you place that, you paste that referral link on your browser, all right? It will bring you here. So far, this is the this is my referral. Okay, this is my referral. This is how your own is also going to be. But if your network is slow, it will take some time for this to come up. But once it comes up, you're going to see your referral. Okay, and in case you don't see your referral, you can actually click on this to actually it will give you option to select your referral. Okay, so now you have to enter your email address. So let me assume that the email address is h@gmail.com. Okay. Your password, all right. Please give a very strong password. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. And then make sure you confirm your password. The two passwords have to be the same. So you can click on this icon to see your password to make sure that they are the same. But please, this password is very weak. My password is very weak. Okay. So give a very strong password. I'm not going to use this account. So you can see now that if the password is not, if it doesn't match, this continue button will be disabled. All right, so make sure that you have provided all the fields. Your email address should be a correct email address. If I try to bring an email address that is not a correct one, you can see that the continue button has been disabled. So please make sure that you provide all these details, okay? So now I can close this, and then I can now continue. So if I click on continue, it will create my account for me. Say sign up was successful. So I assume that you're using a mobile phone. So that is why I have this. That is why I have this here. So this is the mobile interface of it. So now, once you have signed up and it is successful, please click on this menu icon. But if you're on a desktop, all right, or a wider screen, you will see the dashboard. You don't even need to see, you will not see this menu icon, you will see the dashboard. So click on this menu icon, then you see your dashboard. First thing first, after signing up, go to your dashboard, click on dashboard. All right, it will open your dashboard. You can see now that this is a new account. This person have not started or completed any course. 0 naira in their balance, network 0, completed course is 0, in progress 0. So this person have not bought any course. So what you have to do is this. Click on the menu icon again, or if you're using a desktop or a wider screen, you will already see this side. So just click on profile. Click on profile. So you click on profile, it will open your profile for you. So you see this profile, you have to complete all the fields to be 7/7. Your profile picture is not compulsory, so your first name has to be there. So I'm going to use Ekitike. I'm a Liverpool fan, so he scored an amazing goal this night. Okay, last night, sorry. So I'm going to use his first name, I think Hugo, okay? His second name, then if you first name, you click on save. Okay, then your last name, edit your last name, Ekitike. Ekitike. All right. You save. Then your username. So I'm going to use, give us your username. I'm going to use Hugo underscore Eki. All right. It's like, I think I have used this before. Yeah, I think I've used it before. So if you're going to use a username that already exists, it will not go. So I'm going to use Hugo Eke and I will save. Okay. So enter phone number. All right. Let me come up with a phone number. 09123456789. All right. So I'll just okay. I will save. Okay. Make sure you have all this. So my WhatsApp number. So enter your WhatsApp number. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So you will save. So you can see now that my profile is complete. 7/7. Like I said, this profile picture is not compulsory. So once you do this, you will have your referral link. Now, because this is a community edition, you're going to get this course very affordable. But the thing is this, you must get at least 2 more people into the community. Please, if you are not going to, if this agreement or this condition is not okay by you, no problem. All you have to do is to pay for the full course. You don't have to bring anybody or help us build the community. If you cannot do that, all you have to do is to pay for the full course. Just pay for the full course. All right? Just pay for the full course. So now, this is your referral link. So copy your referral link and then send it to your friends who you want them to join this community edition of our program. All right. So once they sign up with your referral link, it will show in your network. So now this profile is complete. Now what I have to do is this. Let me now go and click on browse for courses. I'll click on browse for courses. Okay, so it brings up the courses that we have so far. Then the one I'm going to select is choose the course that you want to go for. But the community edition version that we have right now is the 100 days of Python phone friendly. This is the one we have in the community edition right now. So this is 100 days of Python. So click on the image. All right. So this is the course description. This is the course description. This course is for 50,000 naira, but for the community edition, you're going to get it for 5,000 naira. This program is for 50,000 naira, but for the community edition, you get it for 5,000 naira. But the criteria there is that the requirement there is that you have to get at least 2 more people into the community. After taking this program, if you like it, if you feel that yes, we can, because our goal is to make sure that every person in Africa has a tech skill. Do you understand? So help us achieve this goal. We have actually reduced the price for you from 50,000 to just 5,000 naira. And you can also help us tell other people about it. So help us grow the community. Okay. So we want to get to 5 million students in Nigeria by 2027. So with the community edition, that is our goal. That is our strategy to actually get there. So help us grow the community. Tell people that yes, there is something amazing that they can actually start to learn from the Global Genius. Okay. So now this is the course description. If you click on this menu icon, it will open the classes. All right. It will open the classes for you. Okay. So the course is divided into chapters, day 1 to day 5, day 6 to day 10, like that. And another way of doing this is you can also go there and click on go to class. If you click on go to class, it will bring you here too. So what do? These things are divided into chapters. So if I click on this chapter title, the chapter title here is day 1 to day 5. If I click on it, it will come here. It will open the chapter page for you. It is loading the page data. All right, sorry, my network was a bit slow. So you can see now, this is the chapter. This is the chapter. Okay, so this is the chapter description. This chapter contains 5 sessions, that's 5 classes. It is 197 minutes total length. It has no project. And we have 9 students who have completed this chapter. We have 3 ratings, and then we have 2 likes. Okay, so we also have some comments. So if I click on view all to the 2 comments, let's see what the comments. It say good stuff, and this one say it's actually going well, and I like it. Thanks for always giving us the best. So these are comments from students who have taken this class, okay, who have started this chapter. All right. So every chapter also has an assignment. All right. Every chapter has an assignment. So what you do is this. You're going to follow the instruction, do your assignment. After doing your assignment, you will make a video. Tell us, explain to us what you did. Explain to us your code. Teach us what you did. Make a video, post it on YouTube, create a YouTube channel, or post it on any social media. All right. But let it be a video. Copy the link, all right, and paste it here. So what you're submitting is the link to the video that you have posted somewhere, either on YouTube or on Facebook, anywhere. Just post the link here so that we can use your teacher will use the link to see what you have done, and then your teacher will pass it for you. So after, if your teacher passes your assignment, then the next chapter will be open. All right, so let me show you a few things. If I click on this now, and if I want to access the next chapter, it will tell me the previous chapter is not completed. So you have to pass your assignment for the first chapter. If you submit your assignment, then your teacher will pass it for you, or tell you you got it or you didn't get it. After that, then the next chapter will open for you. But so far, this chapter have not been completed. So how do you get to the classes in the chapter? So instead of clicking on the chapter title, click on this small arrow. So this is the classes. These are the classes, sorry. These are the classes. So you start with what is programming, the Python installation, why Python and Python installation, Python lexical grammar. So these are the things you're going to learn on the first week. So if I click on what is programming, it will open the class for me. Okay, is loading. My network isn't that strong. Okay, all right. So this is the class. What is programming? So in this class, you're going to learn what is computer programming. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on the video, play the video, watch the video till the end. All right.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so
welcome to today's.
Watch the video till the end. If you're using a mobile phone, you can actually expand it, all right, or use a landscape so that the video will be wider. All right. So after watching the video, after completing the video, you will come down here and write your test. You must write your test for every class that you take. Some of the students will contact me and be like, oh, they have just finished the class and the next class is not open. You have to take a test. Take this test. All right. You have to take this test. Answer the questions. What is computer? What is programming? Answer the question. Select the one that you think is the answer. All right. Select the one that you think is the answer. After doing that, you will submit. You have to take this test. If you don't pass, the pass mark is 7/10. If you don't pass it, you don't go to the next class. So we are very strict with our classes. We want to make sure that you understand what we are teaching. And if for any reason you didn't understand it, reach out to us. We are always available. Come to the community group, drop your question, talk to us, contact your instructor. Your instructor is always available for you. Okay. So if you try to go to the next session, which is the next class, it will not open. Look at it. It won't open. It says you can't access this session because you have not completed the previous session. So you cannot come to the next class, which is installing Python. You cannot take this class. All you have to do is to go back to the previous class, watch the video till the end, then you take your test. Once you pass the test, the next class will now be open. So once you're done with the class, pass your test, you can now click on go to next session. Do you understand? You can now go to next session. And every class also has some comments. So if I click on view all 3 comments, it says, wow, my first lesson and it's already amazing. Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward for more. All right. Okay. So it's still the same person that, okay. So this other person said, thanks. All right. So this person submitted his comment 2 times. Okay. All right. So now this is it. So now the next thing is this, okay? You have to, if I click on this, it brings this up. So now I want to show you, this is your course, the course progress. So far it is 0%. The chapters also have progresses. So far now I have not completed any one. All right. So if I this button is something is loading here. My network is actually slow. So something is loading. All right. So now this is your payment progress. It says that you have not made any payment, and it says that zero chapter paid for. So you have not paid anything, but you can actually have access. This first class is open. Look at it. The first week class is open. It is for free. You can take the class for free. But the next class will not open for you because you have not paid. So after this day 1 to day 5, if you finish it and you have not paid, the next class will not open. And again, the next class will also not open if you have not gotten 2 more people to join the program. So now, if I click on, if I close this, if I go to the chapter page, all right, you see from here, you will see enroll for 50,000. If you also go to the course page, you would also see enroll for 50,000. So now for the community edition, all you're paying is 5,000 naira. You're not paying 50,000, you're paying 5,000 naira. But you would need to get at least 2 more people into the community. Once the system sees that you have gotten 2 people, and these 2 people have also paid for the community edition, the system will now give you the course. The system will now complete your payment to be 50,000. So let me show you. How do you enroll? Click on the enroll button. All right. It will take you to the payment page. Sorry, my network is slow. So select your payment option. Now, you can also pay through your wallet, okay? But for now, because you don't have any money in your wallet so far, it will say pay with Paystack. So if you start when you refer people to our system to come and join our community edition, we will still give you some commission. Any money that your friend paid, we'll give you 5%. All right. So also, there is a video that we made on how you can make so much money from us because we give our students partnership. You can make so much money being our partner. So request for that video so you can understand how you can make money from our platform. Okay, so click on pay with Paystack, then enter the amount. So let's assume you're doing the community edition. So click on enter 5,000 naira. So your purchase type is community. All right. For people who, if you don't want to do community, if you don't want to bring anybody into the community, you can select installments, you can select full payment or subscription. For now, don't select subscription. Okay, there is installment, there is full payment. So if you want to pay 50,000 once, if you don't want to do the community edition, no problem. Just pay your 50,000, or you can pay in installments. You can pay 10,000, you can pay 5,000, and you can just be doing that until you complete your payment. Okay, so select for now. If you're doing the community edition, just leave it at default of community. Then click on pay with Paystack. So once I do this, it will open a Paystack browser. So whether you're using a mobile phone or not, it will open a Paystack browser for you. You see, my network is bad. Even Paystack is even slow. So the slow response from our website it's not from our website is very, very fast. It's just that my network is slow. Okay. So now, pay with Paystack. So select anyone. If you want to pay with card, if you want to do transfer, USSD, sorry, OPay, just make your payment. Okay, make your payment. Once you make your payment, all right. Once your payment, just follow the instruction that Paystack with this guidance, the guidelines that Paystack will give you here, the steps. Once you do this, close the browser window. If it is a mobile phone, find a way to close the browser with this Paystack browser window. So close it. I'll close it now. And once I close it, look at what will happen. It would come back and reload our page. And then it will give you your status. So if you have completed the payment, it will tell you your payment was successful. But so far, the payment was not successful, so it is not going to be here again. So, but had it been you completed your payment, you will now see enroll for 45,000. So that 5,000 now will be deducted. You will see enroll for 45,000. So once you do that, even if you come to this payment status, this payment progress, you would also see that it will now be you have paid 5,000 naira, and it will also show you the number of chapters that you have paid for. So, but once you get two more people to complete their payment, anytime you come to take your class, our system will check if you have gotten two people, at least two people who have also paid at least 5,000 naira to join the program. They can buy any course, any of our courses. So once the system checks it and the system finds that you have paid your 5,000 naira, and you have also gotten at least two people who paid for 5,000 naira, the system will now mark your payment to be 100% and show you that you have paid 50,000 and show you that all you have paid for all the chapters. Okay, so this is how you can start the class. This is how you can make payment. And then let me show you one more thing. If you go to your dashboard, if I click on if you go to your dashboard, you will see when you have somebody who have actually signed up with your referral link, please make sure that your friends, you give them your referral link. Go to your profile page, you see your referral link, copy it, send it to your friends. So what you will see the network here, you see the number of people that have joined your network from here. All right. Then if you have any money, you would also see your wallet balance. You will see the money that we have credited you. So you would also see that if you have paid for the course, you will now see one course in progress, and then you would see the course here. Instead of going to browse for course, you will see the course here. But for now, since you have not paid, all right, you have not paid for it, click on this menu icon, click on browse for course, then you will see the course. Then select 100 days of Python. Click on it. It will take you to the class. It will take you to the class, and then you can click on go to class here, or you click on the menu icon. This would open. You can click on this small arrow, the class will open. You click on the class you want to take, and this is how you just continue to do this. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please, if you have any question, reach out to the person that gave you this link. Reach out to the person that sent you this video, okay? And we will see you. Welcome to the Global Genius. Welcome to the movement. Our vision, our goal, our mission is to make sure that everybody, our mission is to make sure that everybody in Africa, all right, has a tech skill. Everybody in Africa has a tech skill, all right? So thank you very much, and I will see you in your first class. Bye.